What's the meaning of angelic? Angelic. 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 Angelic.
The term angelic refers to something or someone that is related to angels or resembles their characteristics. It is often used to describe a person's behavior, appearance or personality traits that are considered pure, innocent, and holy, just like angels. Angelic qualities include kindness, compassion, gracefulness, gentleness, and humility. The word can also be used to describe an atmosphere or feeling that is heavenly or divine. Overall, angelic denotes a sense of spiritual purity and goodness that is associated with the celestial realm.